There are three ingredients of effective communication.
There are three important aspects of effective communication.
It's meaningful, purposeful. You should say something that is true.
Meaningful, that is purposeful, that is beneficial, that is true.
Style. Best sleep of their life.
Get the best sleep that you've ever had in your life.
She cooked dinner for you.
She prepares dinner for you.
Added some salt, it would be from the 7th level of Jannah.
If you add salt, it will be from the 7th level in Jannah.
Woman, is the economy that bad? You couldn't put some more salt in this food?
Woman, is the economy that bad that you can't put some salt in the food?
لا تسمعوا لهذا القرآن وألغوا فيه.
لا تسمعوا لهذا القرآن والغوا فيه.
Calm down. Hey, calm down. Hey, listen to me.
Just calm down, relax, calm down.
Surah Al-Rahman also has 5 subjects.
There are 5 main subjects that are covered in Surah Al-Rahman.
Beneficent. Have you ever used beneficent in a conversation with anybody before?
Have you ever used the word beneficent in a conversation?
Do you know what happens after your funeral? In a few short hours,
Do you know what happens after your funeral? In a few short hours, the crying will die down.
do you know what happens after your funeral? In a few short hours, the crying will die down.
And your family are going to start making arrangements to feed your relatives and your friends.
And your family will be busy making arrangements for food or drink.
Some of your relatives are going to be discussing current events as they eat in Shima, Chihuahua, and Sebi.
Some of your relatives will start discussing current events over a cup of coffee.
And some people will call your family to tell them that they can't make it in person because of some emergency.
And some will call your family to tell them that they can't make it because of an emergency.
Your employer will begin to search for your replacement.
Your employer will begin to search for your replacement.
In a few days, your children will go back to work.
Only a few days. Your children will go back to work.
In 6 months, your spouse will be watching a comedy on DSTV and she'll start laughing.
Your spouse, in about a month, will be sitting down watching a comedy on TV and they might begin to laugh.
You will be forgotten at an astonishing pace.
You'll be forgotten at an astonishing pace.
If people will forget you so easily, then who are you living your life for?
If people will forget you so easily, then who are you living for?
You spend your whole life worrying what people think about you. They don't, and they won't.
You spent your whole life worrying about what people will think about you. They don't.
Live your life for you.
So live your life for you.